Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We got UD Power in the house, their S1200 portable power station. It's a 1200 watt hour portable power station and 1200 watt output, but it can put out 1800 watt surge capacity for a limited time. If you're in a hurry and just look for a discount, feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. You can get an additional discount on top of the amazing price going on right now. Use the links in the comments or description. You can get over that deal, get a good price, help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. A quick rundown of UD Power's S1200 portable power station is it's got 1190 watt hour battery capacity and 1800 watts with the UD turbo, which is basically the surge or lifting power. And you can charge this with about 400 watts of solar, which is going to charge it up in about 3 hours. And this has ultimate safety protections built right in. And you got dual charging mode switch. You can change this from ultra fast charging to optimized charging just with the flip of a switch. Ultra silent cooling operates at less than 25 decibels, ensuring peaceful nights and uninterrupted CPAP use. This is going to be great for those times when you're not allowed to run your generators at campsites as well. Always ready, zero loss standby technology. This has some amazing standby technology. If you put it in eco mode, it gives it amazing longevity. You can charge this once and it stays ready all year, virtually no power loss and standby. Then you've got all these different switches built right in. You can actually change it from smart charging to fast charging, different things like that without using the app. This is one of the first portable power stations I've actually seen that on the portable power station itself. It's got 15 different ports, 5 AC outlets, and 10 DC ports. And it's also got a wireless phone charger on the top, which is great. Of course, not only that, it's got the UPS, the uninterrupted power supply. You can have this plugged into the wall and plug your sensitive devices into the portable power station. It'll stay charged up and it will switch over to the batteries in the portable power station during an outage so fast that none of your devices will even realize. It's got 1800 watt surge AC output. They're calling it UT Turbo. This feature will kick on and off as needed. You don't need to worry about it. But if you do happen to kick up past this capacity of 1200 watt output, it will be able to actually handle it up to 1800 watts. So you can drive higher appliances and expand capability across a wider range of electronics. And you got industrial grade safety. UL 94VO fireproof rating ensures exceptional flame resistant. Engineered drop resistant structure protects your power station against impacts in harsh environments. And then you got that AI powered BMS and EMS. 32 real-time protections with intelligent monitoring and fault diagnosis keeps your power station safe and efficient. That means it's going to run a very long time for you. And they got the lifelong LFP batteries. These are lithium iron phosphate batteries. These are amazing battery chemistry, the superior battery chemistry in my opinion. Premium LFP cells deliver 4,000 plus cycles with 80% plus capacity retention, lasting 15 plus years of daily use without performance loss. So right now is a really good time to pick it up because the price is pretty low and they got this 5 outlet version they're releasing as we speak. Use the promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description. You get right over there, get a good deal and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. And you can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about all this new tech.